Do you have any investment that is paying you passively? If this answer is no, you are actually wasting time and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. There are currently things that you can buy right now that can pay you on a daily basis, making money while you sleep. And this is the best way to retiring early. So in today's video, we're going to talk about one investment in particular, how to turn $5,000 and make at least $50 a day. On top of that, with the potential to make at least 300% on your initial investment. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? This is JC and welcome to the Wealth Engineering channel. This is where I create content so that you can learn how to make, keep, and multiply money in the world of cryptocurrencies. Now, we do talk about other subjects as well, like real estate, business, stocks, but for the most part, we like to keep it short and sweet on cryptocurrencies. And today, the crypto I'm going to talk about can actually help you make passive income. And if you're not having any passive income right now, you might want to start with this. Actually, investing in this crypto will teach you a lot about crypto in general, decentralized finance, and also passive income. But on top of that, compound interest. I made a detailed video about this. I'll put it right here. It's the Drip network. If you haven't heard about it already, I leave again. The link will be right here. But in today, I want to talk specifically how you can turn $5,000 and make at least $50 a day on that, with the potential to make a lot more with price appreciation and also with the investment itself multiplying and make 200%. Now, let me warn you, this is definitely a very risky investment. So first thing I would say is you need to understand yourself. You need to understand what type of investor you are. Are you a risk adverse investor? Are you comfortable with risk? Are you somewhere in the middle? These are the things that you need to ask yourself before you look at any type of investment. But once you embrace the type of investor you are, then basically what's going to determine if you're going to get in or out of a deal is, does this deal fit your goal? Does this still fit your personality, right? Now, let's say this investment that I'm doing right now, it's very risky. I'm about to share it with you. But again, if you're not the type of someone who can handle the risk, but you still want to try it, well, you might want to start with an extremely low amount, because at the very least, if you end up losing that amount, well, at least it's an amount that you're comfortable with and not something that would actually hurt you. Whereas if you're like me, right, a degen of cryptocurrencies, you're comfortable with risking quite some money in risky projects and bet big, right? Big rewards comes sometimes with big risk. But hey, when them rewards are coming, it feels so sweet in a portfolio. But these are the things that I factor and I have to live with. And it's also a learning curve too, because hey, every failure teaches me something in investing. So to me, it's a win-win scenario. So without further ado, I wanted to talk to you about the Drip network. So I've been making a couple of videos on Drip already. Again, I'll be posting them on the description or somewhere here. But Drip basically is this DeFi cryptocurrency platform. It's an earning program where every day it pays you 1% on the initial amount. Now, here's the risk, right? If you put some money in, it's going to lock that money in and you will never get it back. But however, you're going to get 1% per day. And if you wait long enough, well, you can add up to the initial amount that you saved, right? So if you start with a low amount, then you can eventually make, well, 1% of that is also going to be low. But if you wait long enough, you're going to get that money back. And on top of it, you could up to 300% of your initial investment. That's how Drip Network works. And then if you put, let's say, about 5,000 in, you could see on my account right now, my deposit amount is almost at 5,000. It depends on the price. The price fluctuates. Sometimes it's above 5,000, sometimes it's below. But you can see that I'm well on track to make $48 today. I think I passed 24 hours because normally I'm supposed to be making 1.19 drip for today. So I'm past 24 hours. But every day I make 1% of this number, which converts into a dollar amount depending on the price of Drip, right? So today Drip is at $24. A couple weeks ago, Drip was at $30. The price is dropping slowly, but I actually think that's a great thing, because that means you can load up on the amount of Drip that you have and then still collecting that 1%, still doing that compound effect. The compound effect, guys, it's like the nuclear bomb of this investment right here. Multiply your wealth so fast. Yeah, boy. And you have no idea. Just by doing it for the last 4 months, I'm amazed at the power of compound. This is exactly how you get $5,000 into $50 a day by investing in something that pays you. But the power of it too is to re-put that $50 back into the investment, and that 1% becomes bigger and bigger. By the time we reach 200 days, the curve is going to flip on a different level, and that's how you do it. Now, again, this is a very risky project. I'm not saying that you should invest your retiring money out here on this type of investment. Again, you see the price dropping. Not that long ago, the price was all the way to $100. The price is dropping. We have started a bear market in the cryptocurrencies, but right now I have a shopping list of cryptocurrencies that I'm waiting to buy right now. But this crypto right here is definitely one of the crypto that I'm buying because of what it does, because of the user base they have, the community, the developers. I've been doing my research. I did even invest it. So again, invest at your own risk, do your own research. Definitely, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I am doing. But if you wanted to invest $1,000 and make $50 a day passively on it, you would have to look for some type of investment like that pays you at the very least 1%. So that 1% of 5,000 is 50. Therefore, you can make $50 a day. And if you can at least maintain the level of that money on your deposit or multiply it over time, then that would be true cash flow value investing style. That is something that I teach on my course. Make money now and make money on the future based on price appreciation. So with that said, we'll talk on the next video. I'll add the links to this website here where you can sign up on Drip, and also my link to my buddy network. Make sure you check it out if that's something that you're interested. Also join me on Discord. The Discord channel is free. You can ask me any questions and I'll guide you through this process if you wanted it. But I actually recommend this process, even if it's just $10, because it's going to teach you the power of compounding over the course of 200 days, regardless of the amount you put. You need to experience the power of exponential growth and grow your wealth exponentially. So with that said, we'll talk on the next one.
Hey, yeah, it's all about wealth engineering. Might be something that you're not used to. It's okay, cause I'm here to introduce you to concepts. Time to grow and make big moves. All about crypto, come see. Stocks and business, yes indeed. Got the info that you need. Hosted by my homie JC. Hey, yeah, wealth engineering, stacking and stacking it up. It's time to generate wealth till you living like Scrooge McDuck. Hey, wealth engineering. It's time to show you the game till you living like Richie Rich, till you ballin' like Bruce Wayne. Hey, you ain't gotta be an expert, no problem. It don't really matter where you at, just start it. It'll take time, hard work, and all this, but we bring the info that you wanted. Stocks, real estate, crypto, less work. Generational wealth, increase net worth. Like a kid on a bike, take the training wheels off. Right now is your time, make it happen like a boss. Yeah, JC, bring that fire, mentally taking you higher. Get the cash flow that you desire. Building that wealth, I should call you sire. You about to run it, I know it. We steady growing, this is the moment.